In this video, we listed the 5 best drone under $50 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. S2S Mini Drone. The Magia S2S RC Quadcopter, a lightweight, 174G, camera drone featuring an 8K HD camera with electronic image stabilization, EIS, a brushless motor, and optical flow positioning for stable flight. It boasts a 25-minute flight time, a control distance of 100 m, and can be controlled via a mobile app with customizable flight paths. It also includes features like gesture control, obstacle avoidance, and a 50x focal length. The product package includes the drone, remote control, battery, spare propellers, USB charging cable, and user manuals. The seller emphasizes competitive pricing, quality control, and responsive after-sales service, though the product is currently unavailable. Number 2. KS66 Drone. This is a KS66 drone from Aliexpress, designed for users aged 14 and up, featuring a 720p HD camera for aerial photography and video recording up to 1080p resolution. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and boasts GPS functionality, app-controlled operation with 4 channels, a control range of 2,000 meters and a flight time of about 18 minutes, powered by a 3.7V 2000 mAh battery. The drone weighs 0.3 kilograms, can handle wind speeds under 10 kilometers per hour, and has a maximum takeoff weight between 2 to 3 kilograms. Number 3. P2 Mini Drone. This is a P2 model folding drone designed for both indoor and outdoor use, intended for beginner operators aged 14 and up. It's an electric drone with a lithium battery, weighing 0.23 kilograms, and capable of capturing 4K UHD video. It offers 20 to 30 minutes of action time, controlled via 4-channel remote, Mode 1, with a range of 1000 m, and a Wi-Fi video transmission signal with a 120 degrees lens angle. The drone features a brushless motor, a 2500 mAh battery, USB charging, and various flight modes including one-key takeoff, landing, obstacle avoidance, gesture photography, and a headless mode. The package includes the drone, remote, battery, spare fan blades, USB cable, and manual, all within a storage bag, color box. Number 4. S116 MAX Drone. The S116 MAX Drone is a compact and lightweight camera drone designed for aerial photography, weighing only 160g with a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. It features a dual camera system capable of recording 4K HD video, 4096 by 2160 pixels, and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor and obstacle avoidance technology, allowing for smooth navigation and enhanced safety during flight. It has a flight time of approximately 15 minutes and a control range of 150 meters, with a charging time of 60 to 80 minutes for its 3.7V 2000 mAh battery. The S116 MAX does not include GPS or built-in display, but it supports Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via an app or dedicated remote. Its dimensions are 23 centimeters in length and height, and 12 centimeters in width, making it a portable option for enthusiasts looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. Number 5. GT3 8K Mini Foldable Drone. The Mini GT3 drone, branded by Xiaomi, is a lightweight and advanced drone designed for aerial photography, weighing just 166g with a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. It boasts impressive capabilities, including 8K HD video recording, 7680 by 4320 pixels, and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency. The drone features a dual camera system, obstacle avoidance technology, and a flight duration of up to 18 minutes. While it lacks GPS and a built-in display, it can be controlled via a dedicated app. The drone's remote controller is powered by a battery with a capacity of 3 by 5 mAh. With its compact design and enhanced video resolution, The Mini GT3 is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to capture high-quality aerial footage in a user-friendly package.